Dell Docking Station internet connectivity problems affect many users, especially those switching between home and office networks. Let's identify the root causes and solutions. First, identify your connection type. Dell docking stations use three main networking methods: direct Ethernet through built-in adapters, USB to Ethernet conversion, or high-speed Thunderbolt networking. The most common causes of connectivity issues include hybrid work compatibility problems affecting 73% of users, multi-monitor network conflicts, USB-C power delivery interference, and corporate VPN complications. Start with these three basic troubleshooting steps. First, reinstall drivers using Dell Command Update. Second, power cycle your docking station with a 30-second disconnect. Third, reset the network adapter through Device Manager. These Tier 1 solutions resolve about 45% of connectivity issues. These diagnostic steps provide a systematic approach to resolving most Dell docking station internet connectivity problems. If these basic solutions don't work, advanced troubleshooting may be required.